Unboxing the new AMD quarter.
Really new one.
Really new one.
Technically, would this be the second unboxing with your
Well, I wasn't there for the first unboxing.
300 pounds of packing material?
And you didn't take a picture of that.
Yeah.
But yes, I guess after Mike called AMD and said, hey, I'm sending this back because you guys crunched it. You didn't exactly pack it well at all. They went overkill, and the driver told Mike that the fender, I keep calling it a fender, the quarter, plus all of its packing materials, was 300 pounds. So, yeah, this thing ought to be free of any bumps and bruises after that overkill. And thank God we didn't pay for that shipping, because jeez. Hey, look, it looks like the last one we had for it.
Last one without any damage.
Apparently it's not latched. It looks like it fits pretty well.
Yeah, I have to roll the fender out.
Well, obviously, you had to roll the lips on the front and the rear before. That we're aware of. But I meant overall.
Yeah, no, overall it's good. It's still got to go under this, but...
Right, and you still have... Actually, it looks like you cut too much.
Huh? No, this goes under.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It'll push in once it...
And then how's our seam up there? A little bit more cutting.
A little trim here.
Hey, we can start to make actual quantifiable forward progress now, because sanding is just, everything always looks the same until you put new paint on it.
Yeah.
Time to finish the puzzle. Today marks the last of the welding on the new quarter. So
We hope.
today should be, fingers crossed, it better be the last of the welding on the new quarter. And Mike's gonna make noise. Isn't he helpful? So all of the seams are tacked in, smoothed out, all the way down the trunk, all up onto here. And today, as you'll see in the video, you just finished the roof quarter seam, kind of capping that in a little bit so there's less of a gap. So he's got the fender, it's completely rolled now, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's rolled out, so it's clearanced to the 315s on the forge lines. That's tapped in down there. You've got a nice smooth seam down there. I actually don't know how to open the door now that it doesn't have a handle, but the inside of the door is all patched up as well. So now we have seam sealer. Is that next?
Yeah.
Seam sealer on like the trunk seams and whatnot, and then we have the hood project, which is behind us. We'll talk about that later. We'll talk about that later. And then more sanding, right? You have to sand more before you can do primer?
Yeah. It's the cart horse thing, because I gotta get.
Because you have to do like 17 things before you do 10
Yeah.
things.
I need to get everything sanded and ready. Put the hood on, get that leveled out, get the hood back off, get the fenders off, get the doors off. I want to paint the inside of the doors. When I painted it the first time, I painted the doors on it and it left some like dry spots, light spots, I don't like. So I'm gonna paint the doors off the car, then put the doors back on the car. Probably put a lot of the car right together. See how time goes. I want to change a little bit on the cage, but I don't know. But I don't want to do it with the car painted either. So.
Yeah, but you know, time. We don't have a lot of that.
No.
Car has to be painted by what, September?
Yeah, early September.
So that's 6 weeks.
Yeah,
Yeah.
plenty of time.
Oh yeah, loads. We're just made of time and money. So yeah, that's what we've been. When by we, that's what he's been working on. You pretty much got most of this welded up this week, though, didn't you?
Yeah.
So he's been pushing hard on it after work, and we were with friends yesterday. So today he hammered out that roof seam and ready to move on.
Well, I've been ready to move on. The car hasn't.
These things take time, dear. So yeah, that's it for now. We'll have more super exciting bodywork to come. So thanks for following along, guys.